Today I want to show you how to make a Calendula Salve by infusing calendula flowers in oil and mixing it with a couple of other simple but effective ingredients. Starting off, your first step is to infuse calendula flowers in almond oil. You will need some beeswax to give the salve the right consistency. And then I'm introducing a very special shea butter we have. It's a yellow shea butter. It's very healing. It has additional properties that your skin will love. The first step is to have 1 cup of dry calendula flowers. Put them in a jar. Cover them with 8 ounces of almond oil. So once you're done with this step, you want to put this jar sealed in a double boiler with a little water at the bottom of a pan. Put your jar in it at low heat and let it sit there for 4 hours so the oil can extract all the properties from the calendula flowers. Then you're going to need 1 ounce of beeswax. This is our Texas beeswax. It's sourced from Texas beekeepers. It smells like honey. And then you need just 0.3 ounces of yellow shea butter. I want to show you how creamy it is and beautiful. It gives a very nice tint to your salve. And as I mentioned, it has extra properties for your skin. So after the 4 hours have gone by, you want to strain the flowers and have 5.6 ounces of oil. Throw the beeswax and the butter in. Let them melt until everything is completely melted. Pour them in tins. Let them sit for 2 hours. And here it is. A Calendula Healing Salve for skin. You can use it all over your body. It's creamy, versatile. I hope you love it. Happy DIY!